Hello, Park Center Media Specialist David Hilgendorf here, wanting to show you how to record directly from Schoology. If you go into one of your courses and click on the Updates tab on the left, and then you can click on the microphone within the posting field. Click on Audio and Video or just Audio Only, and you will see that you can start recording. Here I am recording just for a few seconds because this is just a sample, and I'm going to stop recording. It uploads my photo and I can say I want to insert that. There it is, inserted. There are other places where I can edit the details of that. I can add in a title, and then I can go ahead and post that, and it will appear. Oh, looks like I have to put something in here. It will appear as a post in my Schoology course. That's it.